Highlighters, may tanong ako sa inyo. Naranasan niyo na bang makain? Makain ng demonyo? Huy!
开机蓝牙模式。
Ay, ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Wala. Grabe, unbox ba natin to? First time to unbox an extraordinary package. Na yung pagka-receive mo, kinabahan ka bigla. Alam mo yun? Tara, samahan niyo ako, highlighters, and let's unbox this package. Okay. Yan, so may note. Yan, see? Delete. Sheesh. Grabe. Alam niyo, habang pinapanood ko tong movie na to, actually, we're invited kasi on the surprise screening by Viva Films. At nagulat kami, hindi namin alam yung papanoorin namin. At ayun, actually, hindi ako mapakali sa upuan while watching it. Grabing takip ko ng mata, ng tenga, grabing sigaw. Alam mo yun? So yan, and may instruction here. Are you ready for the scariest movie this summer? Watch out for Lilium, a film by Mikhail Red, coming in cinemas this March 12. And make QR code. Yan, if you're brave enough, I dare you to, yan, later on, we'll scan it. Okay, let's do first the unboxing video. Yan. So, the box comes with this mask. Grabe, no, mask pa lang. Wait lang, ayoko suot. Actually, sobrang, ano nito, sa movie, ginagamit kasi nila to. Wait, I don't want to spoil you guys. Yan. Basta, medyo ang creepy nitong purpose ng mask na to. And somewhat related kay Lilith. Kaya, yun. Okay, bago pa natin na mas-spoil kayo. Grabe, no, mask pa lang. Grabe. Then, wait. Nice. Alisin lang natin to. Oh, yeah. Cool. It comes with, wait, baka wala naman sigurong lalabas dito. No? It comes with this shirt. Yun, nice. Grabe. So, yan, nakikita niyo yung mga sisters, mga nuns. Ang creepy. Then, the kid is wearing a mask. Yan. So, if you're curious enough, anong purpose nun, alam niyo na. Sama niyo yung barkada niya, masaya to. Grabe. Alam nyo ba, while watching this one, hindi ako mapakali. Grabing sigaw, takip ng mata ko yung tenga. And this movie is a contemporary horror, a primal movie that is not familiar or beyond the understanding of humans. So medyo mas makabuluhan yung story niya. At the same time, nakakatakot siya. Kaya worth it yung panonood nyo dito. So yan. Yung dalawang bata kasi tumakas sa pulis, napunta sila sa isang gubat at sa isang orphanage na pinamumunuan ng mga sisters yon. Next up, so, it comes with this. Ang cool ang dami Hell is a place on earth then. So, tote bag. Wait, ano to? Curious ako sa jar. Parang nakatakot na masindihan to sa gabi. Kahit I'm a coffee lover, parang, wait lang sa lilim yung naamoy ko Ito ba yung amoy ni Lilith? Diba? Then, it comes with this notebook. Grabe. Para siyang Death Note tuloy. Sino ba mga kaaway natin? Sulat nga natin dito. Para kainin ni Lilith. At hinuli ko talaga yung pinaka-heart ng package. Yan, may cord. And this is nice. Portable music player. Yan. If you're brave enough, I dare you to connect your mobile device to the vinyl speaker, scan the QR code, and enjoy. Hala, papatugtugin ba natin to? I'm wearing na the Lilium shirt. Ay, yan, diba? Pero yun, ang cool it's moving. It's rotating. Oh, cool! Nice! I like this one. Yan. Creepy! So, let's now start scanning the QR code. Wait, I'll show you yung makikita ko dito. Siyempre, hindi lang pwede ako yung matakot, no? Mga pictures, diba? Red and black. Talagang para maano. And actually, itong part na to, I dare you to watch, yung sabi dito. This is one of the most creepiest scene doon sa film. Actually, I hate this. I hate this part. Alam ko kasing, alam mo yun, basta nakakapanik tong part na to. So, let's check. So, syempre, samahan nyo ako. Wait lang. Grabe tong na to. Sheesh. Diba ang creepy no song? Oh my God. Experience the scariest movie this summer. Actually, yeah. Then I dare you to listen. So let's try playing this song.
ang damdamin.
Sa totoo lang medyo nakakaba. Ewan ko kung dahil kakapi yun, pero medyo ang creepy nung song. It reminds me, yung mga international films na yung slow burn and it will creeps you out up until the end of the credits. At hindi lang doon nagtatapos. Yung kahit na tapos na yung movie, nakahiga ka na sa kama, yung kakabahan ka pa din. Grabe. Ganun yung atake ng pelikulang ito. Kaya if you want to enjoy or kabahan naman paminsan-minsan at kailangan natin yun, don't forget to invite your family, barkada, loved ones, or jowa. And don't forget to watch Lilim, which will be shown in cinemas starting, paparamdam si wala, starting March 12, 2025. Yan. And by the way, again, thank you Viva Films for this package. Yan, yay. Did enjoy this one. First time to unbox. And it creeps me out. Actually, I'm not into horror movie collection kasi. Pero di ba? Yan. So, that's all for now, highlighters. And yan, see you around.